Hi everybody, welcome for another fun project at RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. So today in Science Lab, we are going to do something that incorporate with Mother's Day. So we have to, we can make something that you actually can gift it to your mom or to your grandma or whoever special woman in your life. Okay, so we are going to make air freshener. So it looks something like this. Okay, so I know you can see a flower in there. So it's basically a gelatin. It's an air freshener. If you put it in a room, it will smell so good. Okay, so it's pretty easy. But disclaimer, do not eat these because I know it looks like a food, but just please don't eat it, okay? Gelatin. I have Knox gelatin, but you don't have to use Knox one. Any kind of brand will work, okay? And then salt. We're wondering why salt. I will explain that later. And of course, you need a container, like so. Glass container probably the best. If you don't have glass, probably it won't work with plastic one. Food coloring, any kind. If you don't want food coloring, that's fine. It's up to you. Essential oil, I have peppermint and lavender, and then you can use orange or whatever scent you prefer. And then this is an optional. This is just a decorative daisy, but you don't want to use it. That's fine. You can use roses, or if you don't like flower at all, that's totally fine with me. Okay? All right, let's get started. So first thing first, what you want to do is going to open this jar, and then we're going to take this gelatin, about like 1 teaspoon, but you don't have to be precise. Can be any more, like 1 tablespoon works. Okay, and then what you want to do is you're going to pour it on a jar like so, and then after that, take hot water. Be very careful, it must be really hot. And then you want to pour it into the gelatin like so by stirring it. This. So it's about like 1 cup to 2 cups. Okay, stir until you don't see any more powder in there, so it looks clear like so. Okay, so try your best and just dissolve it really quickly in the hot water. Okay, it must be really hot. It won't work with like semi-hot water or cold water. It will not work at all. Okay, so it looks something like this, something clear, and so okay. And then you want to take your food coloring. If you don't like food coloring, it's totally fine. You don't have to put a drop in there, or 2 drops even. 1 drop can make a difference, so it doesn't need to be much. And then you also stir it like so. Okay, and then the next part is you're going to put the essential oil. I'm going to choose peppermint, but it's totally up to you if you want to choose different scent. I would say 3 drops to 4 drops, that will work. Stir it a little bit more. See, I can smell it. It's so strong. So, like so. Okay, and after that, this is what the main part is. You want to put salt. You will probably think like why salt, because it will preserve it, so it will not grow fungi in there. So preserve it for probably a month or so. About 1 tablespoon of salt is enough. And then stir it really well until it all got dissolved. Okay, so to make it look pretty, I'm going to take daisy as my decoration here. It's probably like 3 or 4 daisies is enough. So you put it on the top like so they can submerge it. See how pretty that is? I think that is so pretty. Put it like so. Be careful, it's really hot. Put it like so. Okay, and now we're all done. We're just going to close the lid. Okay, and then you might want to put it in the fridge for 24 hours to 2 days, I think, to make it look hardened like this. If it looks like this and then it doesn't move at all, it means that you're done. And then you can put your air freshener somewhere in the house or in your room, everywhere you like. So, or you can gift it to your mom or your grandma or whoever. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this fun project, and until next Science Lab, I hope you have a good day at school, and I hope you have a good week. I'll see you guys